I think this the event was a really great celebration of the CODEC project.
CODEC, so that stands for Cognitive Urban Design Computing. The idea was to improve urban planning by means of artificial intelligence, by new tools for citizen design science, and to predict how urban systems work.
Now CODEC just finished at the right time. Everybody's talking about ChatGPT. Everybody knows what AI can do for us, and why not working with AI in urban planning?
I'm really confident that what we build here is, again, it's a community. So we really nurture that community.
Yeah, I mean, the community, I think that's really great to have a lot of people in different companies now, at different research institutes.
With the hackathon, we see that, manifesting, because they actually sat down for the whole week developing a new thing for this conference, for this workshop.
We brought together 6-7 people for this hackathon, all with their own topics, and now we managed to come back for this event together and exchange.
At one point, most of us appeared in the City Intelligence Lab. I think it was very fun, and also we explored some truly new things. And additionally, I think we also managed to set up something which could work as a show.
The main challenge of the hackathon overall was that all of us were working with different platforms and make it work in real time and curate this feedback from one system to the others.
Use all these different software solutions in real-time collaborative environment can actually make the design process so much more interesting.
Another thing we looked at was Omniverse for real-time rendering and also as a collaboration platform.
We were pretty much pushing the idea of atmospheres to somehow design with space through materials, light.
That just brings it to another level also in communicating designs and performance stuff.
This hackathon was fantastic because it gave us a very, very good reason to actually show how Socrates can be included in this kind of real-time design processes.
You can directly compute the square meters, so you can get maximum of your property. We check Abstandsfläche, we check fire safety concept.
My main topic of the hackathon was to create some nicer facades than just simple white blocks.
Whenever they saw appearing those facades with the balconies and the windows, suddenly it was real and people really liked it.
My main focus on this hackathon was, again, working on knowledge representation of the data, where we tried to link two different databases and do some reasoning and querying.
I think SIL itself does give a nice environment for work together. It gives the space, it gives also the tools.
I think we are all very tired, but also happy that it came together and that we came together.
This event was really nice to see what kind of different results it produced.
That was the most beautiful thing, to see how the sort of like knowledge that was built, the skills were spilling off to new ventures, new, let's say, paths, career paths.